Sino ang techie sa inyo? Paano kung hindi techie ang isa sa inyong dalawa? Away na ba? I remember Bert and Vicky who own a glass and aluminum business. Si Bert, very hands-on sa pagpipinta at pag-install. Walang apps at talagang old school. Si Vicky naman, gustong-gustong mag-digital para lumago pa ang negosyo nila. Lagi silang nag-aaway noon. Bakit pa tayo magte-technology okay na naman ang business natin? Ang laging sabi ni Bert. Di ba familiar? Maraming couples na magkaiba ang tech comfort levels. Hindi naman kasi dapat competition ito. When I talk to them, I suggested they leverage their different strengths instead of fighting about them. So, anong ginawa nila? Si Vicky nag-focus siya sa pag-set up ng digital presence para sa portfolio ng mga gawa nila. Online quotation system at digital payments. Si Bert naman nag-focus sa quality ng craftsmanship and personal customer consultation. Nagsimula sila sa simple lang. Pinakita ni Vicky kay Bert kung paano mag-take ng good photos ng finished projects para sa socials. Si Bert naman, tinuruan niya si Vicky about aluminum at glass specifications para mas maintindihan niya kung bakit iba-iba ang presyo. See, there's nothing to be afraid of or to fight about. The lesson is this, anak. By using technology effectively as partners, you can improve your efficiency, reach new customers, and grow your business together. So, what's that one tech skill you and your partner can learn this week? Let's be business-minded Pinoy.